Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a dynamic QR code for your product shelves. There are many use cases of dynamic QR codes on the product shelf, such as providing scan-to-learn information or giving recipes or detailed information about your products. In this example, I will show you how to create a dynamic QR code that will give your customers 20% discount and that will direct your customers to download your app. My inspiration was Johnny Slick's products. As you can see, they are selling handcrafted shampoos, and on their website, they even have a QR code. So I will create one for the website and one for your physical stores. Okay, on the QR code dynamic, I created an account and I'll continue to generate QR codes. And then continue with URL. I want this QR code to be dynamic, which means if I make any changes in the link or the information in the QR code later on, I will not have to change the QR code. It will be up to date forever. So I will check this box and then click create. I will use the link of Johnny Slick's application. I will paste it here. One of the best parts of QR code dynamic is that you can even change and customize the link of your QR code. Okay, continue with create. As you can see, there are some customization options, like you can make your QR code temporary, you can just schedule a time for it to work, you can target specific country, device type, or whatever you need to. You can put a password on it if you want to. Okay, now that we have our dynamic link ready, let's create our QR code. On the left-hand panel, I click Generate QR Code and URL again. This time when I check this box, I can see my link right here. From right here, it's all about customization. From the style, you can choose a shape for your QR code. From the colors, you can choose colors that goes well with your brand maybe. And then if you want, you can add logo of your brand. And from the options, you can arrange the size, margin size, and error correction capability, which helps you keep your QR code readable even if it's damaged or dirty. Once we are done, click Create. Okay, our dynamic QR code is good to go. We can print it or download it in multiple formats. In order to use it as a sticker on my physical store, I will go to Canva. As you can see, I prepared one for you. You can just use a simple design like this and add your QR code right here. You can write a text like, download the app, get 20% off. And when customers visit your store, they will see this QR code right away next to your products. This way, they will get the discount and you will get your app downloaded. Or if you want to display this QR code on your website, you can use a tool like Pop-up Smart. As you can see, you can easily add this QR code as an image, and then you can add the text. And on the website, it looks like this. Here we have the teaser. So when the customers click on the teaser, again, they will display your QR code. So go ahead, give it a try and let us know what you think.